Calling all Autobots.
What am I doing?
Well, hell, the coast is clear out here, so whenever you want to slide that thing on out, you good.
I can't.
Like you can't drive stick or something?
No, it's just... I ain't no thief.
Are you having an existential crisis now?
The deadline for that was when I offered you Twizzlers.
This is an emergency. Can you hear me, Mirage? Roll out.
Hey, yo, who the hell was that?
Yo, it's the radio, bro. This car's bugging. I'm out.
Hey!
Shit.
Hey, you! Get out of the car!
I'm trying! The car started by itself, I promise! Look, it's not working!
Get on there!
No, look, wait! What you doing?
No, what's...
Ring!
Now that's top tier manifestation.
You the car's driving by itself!
Noah, you good?
I don't know what's going on! It won't stop! Stop! Why aren't you listening?
But you might want to slow down.
It's not me, it's the car, it's possessed!
No. You're just on an adrenaline high. Let's do some of them breathing exercises.
Yo, I don't need no breathing exercises, the car's driving by itself!
Now.
Yo, Reek, what do we do?
No, I cannot hear you.
Reek!
No, I can't.
No, he did not! No, you did not just leave me! Pull over! Help me! Are you okay? Drive! The bridge, take the Williamsburg! I got a 1037 in progress, silver Porsche.
How serious, man?
Oh, nah. Do something, please. Yo, nah.
Come in. Can you hear me, Mirage?
Mirage.